You know that feeling when you walk past a bakery late in the evening and wonder what happens to all the food that didn't get sold? And that small question is actually where the Too Good To Go app begins to make sense, because it connects people with surplus food from restaurants and stores. And instead of perfectly good meals going to waste, they get a second chance through discounted surprise bags, which turns everyday buying into something that feels both practical and meaningful at the same time. The idea sounds simple, but as you explore the app, you realize how many places participate, and that discovery links curiosity with savings, because you're not only helping reduce food waste, you're also getting food at lower prices. When you open the app, you usually see a map or list of nearby stores, and those listings connect directly to available surprise bags, so one scroll can show bakeries, cafes, supermarkets, and restaurants all offering something different. Since it's a surprise bag, you don't always know the exact items, and that uncertainty bridges into a small sense of excitement because each pickup can be slightly different from the last. One interesting part is how the app quietly builds awareness, because as you use it, you start noticing how much food would otherwise be thrown away, and that thought connects daily habits with bigger environmental impact. Stores benefit by recovering some value, customers benefit from lower prices, and the environment benefits from less waste, so the system links everyone in a practical way. The app also shows ratings and reviews, and those help set expectations, which makes choosing places easier over time. There are small things to remember, like pickup times being fixed and items being based on surplus, but those limits actually connect to the purpose of the app, since it's about saving food that already exists rather than ordering something new. Over time, some people build routines around it, checking the app in the evening or before closing hours, and that habit turns into both savings and a small positive action. Then you might open it just to look and you spot a nearby deal, and that leads to a quick reservation, and later you're picking up a bag and wondering what's inside, and the experience feels a bit like a mix of planning and surprise. And somewhere between the discount and the idea of reducing waste, you realize your regular food run has turned into something slightly smarter, and the thought just keeps going into the next pickup you might try. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.